Good morning, dear students. Let's see our remaining unit, remaining past other dances of Gujarat. Golf Gunthan dance. Here there are some names of difference, but understand. It is performed on drum beats. Drum beats mean like dhol and tal and lay of music, tying rope with mandap, pillar, tree, and holding the other end in the hand. They perform dance in group holding the rope in one hand and dandiya in other. They make creeper-like formation going one side and other coming outside. This is repeatedly done forming a circle. This way they make and open the gunthan. Gunthan means plate. This style of dance is called Golf Gunthan dance. Next, Dhamal dance of Siddhi. Siddhi means Habshi loko, Habshi people, Siddhi Basha. Those who know who black and the whole body is black, big lips, curly hairs, these Siddhis. Siddhis presently residing in Jambur village in the center of Gir. Gir's mango is famous, Kesar, yes. Originally belonging to Africa, perform this dance. They perform dance by rhythmically striking mashira. Mashira means coconut shell containing earthen lamp inside covered with a cloth, and they are making and preparing this type of things. Wearing peacock feathers and holding small drums in hands forming a circle, they dance with high and low pitch intonation of no, this type of sound, sound, which echoes in the whole forest. They dance in a group imitating the voice of animals and birds. Similarly, they are Siddhis, they are poor people. They live in slum area and all type of facilities are not available. I know them very well. Meravi dance, Padar dance, and Kali and Mer dance. These three dance: Meravi dance, Padar dance, and Kali and Mer dance means four dance. This type of dance is seen near this stepwell of Banaskantha region. Tona is woven with the tall grass of reed and junjri. This dance is performed on drum beats and sword tricks. This type of dance is called Meravi dance. Okay, underline. All dances are different. In Surendranagar region, the people of Padar community dance with tal and lay of dandiya and manjira. While dancing, they generate scene like sea waves or like a ship moving in sea waves. Kolis dance. Kolis of Saurashtra perform Koli dance, holding medarsio or head and head gear. Gear means turban, decorated with embroidery and mirrors, tied with green color embroidery belt. They wear bat on their waist to perform dance. Similarly, maid dance of Saurashtra and other dance of Badwar tribe are well known. At last, as we discussed in the previous chapter, here also we find the Indian culture is universal, assimilating all. As a result of arrival of various tribes since ancient time or a contemporary one, many changes occurred, like growth and development of handicraft, home artistry, painting, dancing, and various other fine arts. This shows rich and varied heritage of India, and it leaves permanent impression of India on the horizon of the world. So, dear students, here we are completing our unit number 2. Tomorrow we will start our unit number 3. Today I will send you some question answer, and it is compulsory to write in your notebook. Dear students, you have to cover your book and write neat and clean. Okay? Some questions with answers I will send. Those questions, those who are tick, you have to only write. Okay? Not needed to all write. Or MCQ or very short answer, you have not needed to write. Means 1 mark, 2 marks not needed. And second thing, dear students, please read whole unit and understand it very well. Okay? Thank you.